do that. That's stupid. Okay, right. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on my channel. I'm playing revolvers. I'm supposed to be killing people. Instead, people are killing me. I don't like that. Even though we are winning, but that guy is really good because I only eventually managed to kill. I have only got 2 kills, which is not the greatest. I could never be at. I got him. Get it. Yay! We won! We won! Even though I kept dying, but still, okay. So that is basically what this game is about. There is this guy here who is supposed to be playing music. I think he is playing music. I don't know if he's playing music. I don't know that. But, okay. Right, so basically that's that. That's what this game is basically about. You can dodge and stuff, but you can't do it in the home menu because I would show you otherwise. It'd be pretty cool. Like just jump off the buildings and stuff. Like dodge off the, it's like dodging. That was an annoying person. So, yeah, go right back again. So I'm sure if I'm doing what's right this time. Well, you can't do that. I forgot. I didn't know you could do a front flip. That's pretty cool. Can I try again? That's pretty cool. Oh, what? There's a guy over there. There's a guy over there. There's a guy over there. Okay, I don't want to fall down there. What's that one? Not help. Okay, this isn't necessarily. Alright, can I get that guy? Where did he go? Gotta go for the turn. Yes, I can. Good, man down. Why gotta go through? Oh, I thought I didn't go through. That was close. Take them down. That's what we want. We want to take them down. Why am I stuck? I don't want to be stuck behind this barrel. Can I even get up? I can't even jump. That is stupid. Right? Okay. No, get out the way. How did that happen? Nope. No, we just trying to kill them, but I kept failing. Right. That was not skillful. Was that supposed to be a joke? Is this kitty quad? Is this a claw or something? Now I've taken over this base. We can. This base. We have the height. We did have a height. I had a height advantage. Before I got that guy. Okay, it's that girl again. She killed me last time. I could kill her again. I killed her before. I think I did. No, she killed me, so I kind of killed her. That's how I did kill her. That was good. She killed me last time, so I killed her this time. So we'll spring in. Right in. No, I lost my target. I My target's gone. Moving target right now. Can I shoot through these? No, I can't shoot through the windows. That's stupid. Nothing like you can't do. Right, killed it. That was close. Did not want that anything else like to happen to me. Right, yes, go ahead. That was close. Right, this is a toilet. I just realised. I was like, this is the kind of cute cabin thing. Oh no, I was doing a shot. I thought I was shot then. I wasn't. Yo, I won. Yeah. That's good. Okay, that was close. So, yeah. Oh, I was tired. Distributed newspaper. Lovely stuff. Amazing. Cool. Nice. Amazing. Fantastic. Absolutely glorious. Okay. Right, we'll just talk to you and commentate as such. Wait here. Okay, now actually let's just move to merchant. Can I get the merchant? Can I click on the merchant? I'll do something to the merchant. I'm gonna click outfit merchant. This is merchant I can actually talk to. Oh no, I said like how many coins do I have? I said 119. I need 1,000 to get some. That is so annoying. I'm tired to be okay. What am I? I am a sheriff. Let's do this a bit lower, and then my team always wins because it's so me in it. But still, right? You're looking very good. Okay, right. I swear I got him. I have video footage. I got him, but apparently I didn't. What? Why am I blue? I was supposed to be blue. Oh wait, I wasn't dead. So I was got, but then it died. It's standing there, Johnny. Blue. He's a mighty, right? These people are not. They don't really exist, so they don't really count. Do I just turn? Do this turn? Oh, it's froze. The froze. It actually froze. Oh, so it is actually the froze, but he was blue. I thought it actually was frozen. He might have been frozen. I don't know. But sniped. This is so annoying. Why isn't this fair? Well, that's the thing, it's not really, is it? Come on, is it? I was killed while on that thing. Okay, but you can't even see the scores now, can you? I need to go up like that. There we go. Alright, I'm ready. Okay, I was killed again. But always the best thing you can do to me. Because I will pay back. I will come and I will kill everybody you know. And everybody you love. Including yourself, because you're so mean. You kill me again. I'll kill everybody in your school if you still go to school. Everybody you know and love will die before your eyes. Because you will kill them. Okay, that's a bit dark. I'm not gonna do that. But they will. I'm not gonna. That is still a bit dark. Bam, 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 bam. Bow, bow, bam, bow, 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 bow. No, that'll be epic fight. And then I felt it was like bow, 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 bow. Oh, I lost. I always win though. I always win. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I have to go in back again. There's a bit of dead. I can't remember the lyrics. Ouch. Failed. Okay. Tabby 2018. Okay. That was far. 2018. Why do people say 2018 and 2018? Why? I mean, like, why do they say that? Why didn't they just say, like, 2018, 2018? Well, 2018 is quicker. But 2000 takes longer to say. Why? I can make a debate. I should make, like, a debate. That would make sense. I could make that. That'd be slightly weird, though. So, but, oh, we're in a game. Sorry, guys. Let's go. No more random debates. Okay, welcome to the canyon. I am a cowboy. For boys or girls, because why are they called cowboys? Why can't they be like a cowboys/cowgirls and sheriffs? But that's normal. That was skill. Okay, that is good. Right. Anybody here? That was so annoying. Random beat. Right, what is why people keep first to 31 kills? Right, that's why we need to get more kills. Everyone keeps doing quite well. The sheriffs, they're not getting anywhere. So basically, we're getting somewhere. Obviously, okay. You've seen all my skills in this round, haven't you? Hopefully, I can win this in 2 minutes. Because then I'll be able to show you my victory. Victory again. Ooh. My victory wasn't so much a victory! Sorry that scared you out of your mind. That was pretty loud. Sorry about that. Okay, let's move that over there. There we go. So, right, let's find out where the base is, kind of. The base, I mean, where they mostly spawn. And then kill them and their family and everyone they live. Okay, it's still going dark. That's dark side. I don't ever want to use what it says it will do because that's a bit dark. So that would be pretty annoying if I actually did something, because then things won't go to plan. My life plan won't work. But I really have lived my life. I only have 1 minute left. Okay, I need to kill Tug Rotan. He or she. They are getting on my nerves. Tug Rotan dead. Good. That's good. 31 kills. I have to do that in like half a minute. Curry, I hate this stupid mode. It's just so annoying. Look, I can't even. Tug Rotan was him again. Right, where am I? For some reason, spawn through chat. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.